How to stop procrastinating and get things done. Now there's so much advice on procrastination, like use a Pomodoro timer or start small or reward yourself after the task. The problem with all those techniques is they are not addressing the root cause of procrastination, which is fear. Before, I didn't know why I was procrastinating. I followed all the popular advice, but my results were only temporary and I reverted back to my old procrastination habit. I remember when I was in corporate, I used to put off difficult tasks like cold calling prospective clients or inviting business owners to a presentation. But at that time, I didn't know that fear was making me procrastinate. I thought it must be the unnecessary meetings or coworkers or other distractions, or I don't have enough time, because we all get it, life is busy, right? The more I researched and applied about high performance and productivity, it became clear that the main cause of procrastination is fear. Which leads me to the anti-procrastination framework. This is the framework that helped me tremendously overcome procrastination. And in order to use that framework, you want to first suspend the concept of procrastination. Because remember, the main cause of procrastination is fear. So you want to use the mental model of assuming that you are scared. Okay, for example, let's say I'm procrastinating on making YouTube videos. I know this is something that I want, and for somehow I feel this resistance and I'm procrastinating on it. The first question you ask yourself is, what am I scared of? And most of the time the answer that comes up is not really fear related. The second question you ask yourself is, do I lack the skills? In my case, I made 25 videos so far. So it really is not a skill thing. The third question that I ask myself is, do I lack a certain belief? If it's not a skill thing, chances are it is a belief thing. You believe something about yourself that is hindering you of making progress. So in my case, I made 25 YouTube videos so far, and I could believe that my videos are not getting any better. And this is a belief that is holding you back. And when you are clear about what is holding you back, especially on the belief level, you'll overcome procrastination, because then you ask yourself which belief is more accurate. And for me, I could choose a more accurate belief like my videos are getting better as long as I put in the work. If you use this framework, you'll procrastinate less and get more done easier and faster than ever before. I get it. Sometimes on the journey there are repetitive and boring tasks that we have to do. What helps me tremendously is, like for example, admin tasks that I really don't want to do, but I have to do it somehow. You want to reframe the task and ask yourself, how does this task help me realize my goals? Because it's not always fairy tale-y. You sometimes have to put in the dirty work, this little stuff that you have to do. And if you can reframe it, it will help you tremendously overcome the procrastination, because you know why you are doing it. The anti-procrastination framework is a tactical solution for the day-to-day. However, what you really want to use is a more strategic and long-term and sustainable solution. And that is having clarity on your vision, on your goals and projects. There is no way around it. Look, a lot of procrastination also happens because we are not clear on what we really want in life. And to go even deeper than that, we are not clear on what we have to achieve on a daily basis. So the framework that you want to use is vision, ideally 10 years ahead. If that's overwhelming, define what you want to have next year. Then you pick 3 to 5 meaningful high target goals. Then you want to define key projects that help you realize your goals. After that, you break it down on a monthly basis, what you have to do. Then on a weekly basis, then on a daily basis. I know this sounds like a lot of work, and sometimes it is. You have to put in upfront work. If you don't take the time to map out your goals and break it down into the small achievable steps, you'll procrastinate more than you actually want. Because you'll know exactly what to do on a daily basis. To be honest, most people don't have a plan, and that's quite frankly why they don't achieve their goals. So don't be one of them, take the time. It will be uncomfortable to think so far ahead and to reverse engineer everything, but you will thank me if you apply this information. Now, talking about resistance, there will be days on your journey where you don't feel like doing anything. Even if you have the anti-procrastination framework, even if you are very clear on your goals and you know exactly what to do, there will be the few days in a year where you just have to use grit and willpower. I want to be honest with you because I've been there and sometimes I experience that. I'm not talking from my high horse saying I have everything figured out. You will have days where you just rely on brute willpower. So even if I've given you the tactics and the strategies, a more higher level mindset is to really not rely on strategies and tactics at all. This is something that I feel is like the apex level of mindset and what the elite producers are doing. They do it regardless of if they feel it or not. Really, if you think about this, do you think Elon Musk and Michael Jordan are using the tactics and strategies that we are talking about in this video? No, they rely on themselves. They do the work regardless of their feelings. And this is what I feel like is the highest level of producing. This is a very powerful mindset shift that you eventually want to get there. To stop relying on techniques and becoming the person that does the things regardless of the circumstances. Now, another reason why we sometimes procrastinate is perfectionism. And I identify as a perfectionist, and that's why I created this step-by-step video on how to overcome perfectionism. I believe this video will be valuable because it's very related to procrastination. If you find this video valuable, let me know in the comment section below your biggest takeaway. Like, subscribe, and thank you for being part of this community.